Welcome to guys, it's the Rapid Chef Macdo. Another episode, something different. I'm known from the islands, I know, but this episode I'll be showing you my version of tacos. And for today's taco that I did, a turkey taco on top of whole wheat tortilla. I hope you like this right after the intro.
Perfect.
Alright, so welcome. We start off with the basic tortilla. What we do, I do a cup of whole wheat flour, of course, quarter teaspoon of salt, and I do like a half teaspoon of baking powder, and then I get some teaspoon of I use the argan. You want to mix that. It's very similar to when we're doing our fried dumpling, Jamaican. I call it compress everything together. I also add water after I compressed everything from the tortilla. I also add quarter cup of water to it, room temperature, and mix that. Try to get a solid dough similar to how you get a pasta dough, and I set that aside for at least an hour or so. Right after that, you want to go ahead and get your taco meat ready. For this, you can probably do like a pound of turkey. If it's just you can do. For that, you're gonna need an onion, you're gonna need an jalapeno, tomatoes. I always tend to take the seeds out of my jalapeno. Do use the sweet ripe tomatoes. Oil, I use the garlic olive oil. Render your ground turkey. Add all the veggies that you have cut. You're gonna add that into it. Render that, cook it to again translucent. For my basic taco rub, I will put the recipe that I have. It's okay, I'll share. It was passed down from my mentor. But basically, for the season, you want to add always have cumin, always have coriander, always have chili powder. For me, I do use the smoked paprika. And then I add some chicken stock because it's turkey and it tends to be very dry. You make sure you want to taste it. You don't want to over season it too much. Don't use too much coriander or too much cumin. It tends to get bitter if you use too much of it. But you guys do know that cumin is dry cilantro. You know that, right? Okay, I figure you know. I figure you. Average way, you just press it out, four corners, you flip them around, press them. You guys know how to roll. Then I use a plate, about a 6-inch of tortilla. I add the oil to my pot, and you don't want to cook it too much. You just want to do enough because it's very thin, so you want to cook it real quick. Bam, bam, bam. That's how we're doing it. Flintstone style, bam, bam. Set it aside, and then for how I serve it, I put the turkey on top of the tortilla. But before that, of course, we're gonna make some guacamole, of course. So for my guacamole, I get tomatoes, jalapenos, and some of the onions from what I had. What you want to go ahead and get a bowl, cut up your avocado, put it in the bowl, and we just kind of press it out with a fork, really gentle. You don't want to just press it out too much because you want everything else to add to it. So while I'm on that note, what I did, I add all the stuff that I had on the side, the tomatoes, the jalapeno, and the onions. I add that to it. I add my lemon juice. I didn't have any lime. I usually use lime, but so I eventually use lemon for the acidic taste of it. There's some garlic in there as well. I put a little bit of the smoked paprika in it because I like that. and a little bit of the Himalayan salt. I do love to cook with the Himalayan salt. I just, you know, add some cilantro to it, the fresh cilantro, and I mix that up because I like it to have a lot of flavor. I just use the whole avocado. And then, you know, I add some fresh black pepper to it. I add a little bit of the garlic oil to it again and mix it up real nice. And then I put that on top of the turkey, on top of the taco meat. And then that's how I made my, so this is sort of a light taco. It's nothing crazy. Something light for you to want. But it's the Rapping Chef. Again, it's another quick and easy dish for all my eaters out there who love to eat. It's the Rapping Chef. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Yo, want to smash the like button.